I need to send Anna the projections for the marketing team for next year, and also send her the resumes of the candidates and applicants that submitted from LinkedIn. Yeah, what you just saw me doing here, besides coming up with a weird example, was taking a voice note using the voice notes app in my phone to create a new task in Hive, a new action in my Hive project here, my awesome project. As you can see, the task is already here. The transcription that I took using my phone just worked like a charm. What did I use to make this work? This is a pretty simple automation, and all you need to create to have an automation like that is voice notes account. You can do it for free using the link voicenotes.com or downloading the mobile app. You can use the QR code or search in your App Store or Google Play and create your account. It's for free. And after that, if you don't have it already of your Zapier account, you can do it for free also. And all you need to do after you create this account, I'm assuming you have your Hive account already created. Everything you need to do is connect every point of our automation here. As you can see, I have this already done, and I will show you how to connect these dots in just a bit. Hi there, I'm Luisa from Connex, and we are an automations and integrations agency focused on streamlining projects and automations like the one you just saw. If you have an idea, a project, or anything you want to build and you want help with, we'll be more than happy to hear what you're planning. So you can just click in the link below in the description or go to connex.digital/book/YT and click in book a call. You will have access to our calendar so you can pick the best date and time to speak with one of our consultants to get your project up and running. And of course, if you like this video and want to know more about automations like this one, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you have any doubts, please drop your comment in the box below. Now, let's get back to the automation. Okay, let's get to know how to get this thing running. As you can see, I have already created this app here. I will build one from scratch with you in just a second, but let's get to the steps here. I connected my voice notes as a trigger. As you can see, we have a small lightning icon here, and we have the Hive action. So how we can do that? Let me take you in this in just a second. Okay, we're going to select our trigger. Voice notes. Whoops. Okay, this is the guy. What is the trigger? Every time I create a new voice note. Okay, voice note created, it will trigger an action. But before that, I need to connect my voice note account. Let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, I have a few already. If you click in the Connect New Account, you will be prompted with this information to paste your API key. Let me show you where to get it. As you can see, we have already logged in our voice notes account. Let's click here in Settings. You can go down to Integrations and select Zapier. Now you will have your API key. You can just copy it, and we have to go back to Zapier. Let me just repeat this step here. And you can paste your API key. And then click on the big orange button here. Cool. It will set you up with a new integration here. As I showed you, I have already created a few connections. Let me get back to that one. But we will work in the same way. Okay? Continue. And now let's test the trigger. This part here is important so that Zapier knows what information you have already created in your voice notes. If you don't have any voice note recorded, you can test this, click and record something just for Zapier to get anything here. We can continue, and now we're going to select our Hive account. So this is the guy, Hive. And I'm assuming you have already created your Hive account. And now we can just, after we have selected the app Hive here, we can just create a new action for project. Okay. Now let's get deeper in how to connect your Hive account. Okay, as you can see, I have already connected my Hive account here. I'll show you how to do with yours. Same way as we created our API key for voice notes, we're going to select this information using API keys in our Hive account and user ID. So let's close it just for a bit so we can get to our Hive account. Okay? Okay, now we are in our Hive account, in our awesome project here. And if it is your first time doing something like this, you can always refer to Hive. They have a really comprehensive documentation of what you can do regarding APIs and keys and all that technical stuff. And in this section here, you'll have the map where to find this information. Now, let me help you with that. Okay, all we need to do in this step is to select our profile. Now we come to Edit Profile, and now API Info. Okay, as we saw in the last step, Zapier was asking us about our API key and our user ID. You can just select these guys, copy them, and paste right in this prompt window that Zapier showed us. Now you can paste your API key and your user ID and authorize your Zapier account to access your Hive account. Okay, I have it already done here, so I can pick my account over here, continue, and now I'm going to set up my action that will be created using my voice note. First of all, I need to select the workspace, the project, my awesome project, and if you have any templates for actions, please, by any means, you can just select it over here. I don't have it done. Those are default ones that came with my account, but if you have specific ones you'd like to use, please just select them. The title of my task, my action actually, I can use the title that voice notes transcribed for me. And if you want to, you can assign this task to anyone in your project. I'm assigning this to myself. I could make it for Jessica, Barb, or Landon. Let them get a break for now. And the description, this is pretty important when delegating tasks. I'm picking the transcription voice notes just created for me, and this is my description for the task. If you want to add anything else, you can do it, no problem at all. And also you can pick a deadline for that, today, tomorrow, no date. This is not a mandatory field, so you can skip that. The mandatory ones, they have this red asterisk here, so they're assigned. If you want to fill any custom field you might have in your Hive project, you can add right here. Okay, think we have all we need. Let's jump into the next step. Oh, let's test it. Okay, just reviewing. Test. Whoa, that was fast. Let us check here. Let me go back to my Hive. Awesome. It just created a new action so that I need to send the projections and resumes to Anna. Now I won't forget that. Cool. The next step is publish. So the next time I record a voice note using the app in my phone or in my browser, it won't get lost. So it goes to the right person in my Hive project. Okay, if you like this video and if you want to know more about Connex, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any doubts or whatsoever, please drop your thoughts in our comments below. And yeah, we did it. If you have any doubts about this, please drop your questions, doubts, whatsoever in our comment box below. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video so you can get more of our projects and ideas and tutorials in the future. And of course, if you want to discuss your ideas, projects, and want to have automations like this one or even complexer ones, please go to connex.digital/book/YT and we'll be in touch with you in our discovery call. So, see you next time.